Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to use Midjourney in Discord to generate images. Once you're in the Midjourney server, go to the left-hand menu and click on one of the newbies channels. Scroll to the bottom of the chat and click the text box. Type /imagine and select it from the suggestions. This will bring up a prompt box where you can type your image description. Be as specific as possible. For example, you can include keywords like 4K and hyper-realistic to improve the quality of your image. When you're ready, hit enter. Midjourney will start generating your image. Wait a moment and you'll see 4 versions of your requested image. Below the images, you'll see buttons labeled U and V. U means upscale, which enhances the clarity of the image. V means variations, which generates new versions based on the selected image. For example, if you want to upscale the second image, click U2. If you want variations of the first image, click V1. Once the process is complete, scroll to the bottom of the chat to find your image. Click on it to view a larger version. To save it, right-click and select Save Image to download it to your computer. That's how you can use Midjourney on Discord to create amazing images. If this tutorial was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more guides.